Good morning guys, in front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and let me show you how to apply dark dim. So at first enroll settings, then find and select display, and here you will find dark dim under appearance. So basically all you have to do is to mark on this switcher, and once it is active you'll be able to see the dark mode on your device. If you wish to switch it off, just unmark it. If you want to customize it or schedule it, just mark on this left side and smoothly schedule either at custom hours or from sunset to sunrise, however you prefer. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.